Hey food lovers, welcome back to another episode of Hip Hop Cooking, where we mix beats with eats, ready to spice up your kitchen game and impress your taste buds. Today I'm showing you how to make chicken tikka masala with a hip hop twist. Let's get grooving and moving in the kitchen. First up, let's grab our ingredients. This dish is all about the right mix of spices and flavors. You'll need boneless chicken thighs, which are perfect for their tenderness and flavor. Plain yogurt to tenderize the meat, lemon juice for that zesty kick, garlic for its pungent aroma, and ginger for a bit of heat. Ground cumin for its earthy flavor, garam masala for that authentic Indian touch, turmeric for its vibrant color and health benefits, chili powder for some heat, and salt to bring it all together. For the sauce, get some butter, because everything's better with butter, right? Onions for sweetness and depth, tomato paste for richness, diced tomatoes for texture, and cream to make it luscious and smooth. And don't forget a bunch of fresh cilantro to add a burst of freshness at the end. Alright, let's start with the chicken. This is where the magic begins. Cut your chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. In a bowl, mix the yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, and ginger. This marinade is going to infuse the chicken with incredible flavor. Add in the ground cumin, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. These spices are the heart of the dish. Toss in the chicken and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, let it sit longer for even more flavor. The longer the better, trust me. This is where patience pays off. While that's marinating, let's groove on to the sauce. This is where the dish gets its signature taste. Heat a large pan over medium heat and melt in some butter. The aroma is going to be amazing. Throw in chopped onions and cook until they're golden brown. This adds a sweet, caramelized flavor. Add minced garlic and ginger and let that sizzle for a bit. This is the base of our sauce. Now stir in tomato paste and diced tomatoes. This gives the sauce its body and richness. Let it simmer until it thickens up. You want a nice thick sauce that clings to the chicken. Add in your ground cumin, garam masala, turmeric, and a bit of chili powder for that extra kick. This is where the sauce gets its depth of flavor. Once the sauce is looking smooth and smelling divine, let's blend it up. This step ensures a silky texture. Use a blender or immersion blender to get a creamy consistency. No lumps allowed. Return it to the pan and stir in some heavy cream. This makes the sauce rich and luxurious. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Next, back to our chicken. It's time to cook it up. Heat up a grill or a grill pan on high. You want it nice and hot to get those beautiful char marks. Cook the marinated chicken pieces until they are charred and cooked through. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn. You want that smoky, charred flavor to really pop. This is what gives the dish its signature taste. Now let's bring it all together. This is where the magic happens. Add the grilled chicken pieces to the creamy sauce. Make sure every piece is well coated. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes so the flavors can mingle and get to know each other. This step is crucial for a harmonious dish. Stir in a handful of chopped cilantro for that fresh, herby hit. It adds a burst of color and flavor. And there you have it, folks. A delicious homemade chicken tikka masala with a hip-hop twist. It's flavorful, it's vibrant, and it's ready to impress. Plate it up with some fluffy basmati rice or naan bread, and you're ready to feast. This is comfort food at its finest. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more funky recipes. Your support keeps us grooving. Keep it spicy and keep it funky. Cooking should always be fun and full of flavor. Until next time, peace out. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures in the kitchen.